The FreeCool intelligent solar-powered air conditioner can operate 100% during the day. No battery, no solar controller, no inverter. FreeCool intelligent solar-powered air conditioner. Zero grid dependency reduces electricity bills and carbon footprint. Ideal applications: homes, offices, shops, warehouses, remote and off-grid locations. FreeCool has intelligent cooling technology, automatically adapts performance based on available solar power. Low operating cost, high reliability, simple system, fewer components, long lifespan. FreeCool intelligent solar-powered air conditioners have jet cooling systems. High-speed air delivery for instant cooling. Powerful airthrow covers large areas quickly and efficiently. Energy efficient performance, maximum cooling with optimized power consumption. Ideal for large spaces, factories, warehouses, workshops, commercial areas. Uniform and targeted cooling, direct airflow exactly where cooling is needed. Robust and low maintenance design, built for continuous industrial operation. FreeCool intelligent solar-powered air conditioner. Clean energy, smart cooling, daytime comfort. Become a dealer. Request installation in UAE. Contact +971 50 864 2206. More details. Email sales@freecool.com. Welcome to FreeCool World.